Have you ever looked around your home and wondered which improvements are going to be worth the time, the money, and the effort? In this video, we're going to share the best home improvements for both increasing the value of your home while also enhancing the quality of life.
Most home improvement projects are rarely going to yield you a 100% return on investment. However, the good news is that when the time comes for you to sell, having your home upgraded with these attractive and inspiring living spaces is going to help buyers see your house as the home they want to buy.
Let's dive in. Without a doubt, the kitchen is the most popular space in a home. I've said it before and I'll say it again, we all love to eat.
If you're planning on doing only one home improvement project, we recommend focusing on the kitchen. You can improve this space by refacing or replacing cabinets, installing new countertops, and adding new light fixtures.
Consider replacing old appliances with new, more energy efficient models, installing a new sink and faucet. If this sounds like a lot, don't worry. The good news is that recent data shows that a minor to mid-range kitchen remodel will likely yield a higher return on investment than an upscale kitchen remodel.
You can also keep your costs down by simply painting cabinets and adding updated hardware.
We're all spending more time at home these days, and having an outdoor space can be essential for your sanity.
Your home's backyard can be perfect for dining, entertaining, and if you're like me, working. Adding a patio or building a deck can be the first step in creating the backyard oasis you've always dreamed of.
Screened-in sunrooms are very popular in warmer climates, just like North Carolina. And they also help keep out those unwanted critters. Ugh, who likes bugs? Take it up a notch by adding an outdoor kitchen, an outdoor fireplace, or both.
A fire pit or outdoor fireplace can be great for entertaining your guests or just relaxing on those cool nights.
A well-designed outdoor space can add up to 10% to your home's value.
And when it comes time for you to sell, an enhanced outdoor space is going to appeal to home buyers.
And if you want to add even more value to your outdoor living space, you can smash the like button and subscribe to our channel for an even better return on your investment.
The best return on investment. Improving your home's flooring may not be as sexy as a kitchen remodel or an outdoor oasis, but refinishing or replacing your floors can get you a great return on investment.
According to the National Association of Realtors, homeowners recouped around 147% of their investment for refinished floors and 118% of what they spent on new flooring.
Flooring is one of the first things that a buyer notices when they walk in.
If the flooring is in rough shape, the potential buyer will automatically start seeing dollar signs in their head.
All kinds of dollar signs, yeah. They're gonna see dollar signs, they're gonna think, oh wow, we're gonna have to spend a whole bunch of money.
Today, buyers are looking for hardwood flooring or luxury vinyl plank because it's more hygienic than carpet.
Especially carpeted bathrooms. Nobody likes carpeted bathrooms.
In addition, these materials are easier to care for if you have children or pets.
And if you're gonna update the flooring, you're gonna wanna bite the bullet and go all the way.
Just go all out.
Yeah, seamless transitions is what it's all about.
An older bathroom can date a house.
For this room, focus on updating the countertops, the tub, or take the tub out and put a beautiful shower in, the tile, and the flooring.
Remove any wall coverings or textures and add a fresh layer of paint. You could also add new hardware and light fixtures for a modern touch. Data shows that a mid-range bathroom remodel yields one of the most significant returns to boost your home's resale value.
First impressions are everything. Patchy yards, dead plants, peeling paint, that's gonna be a real turnoff for your neighbors and for buyers. And it's also gonna be terrible for your mindset while you're living in the house.
To make your home more inviting, consider painting the exterior of your home, replacing the garage door, and replacing a portion of the siding with stone veneer. You also want to put your green thumb to work by adding a few new shrubs, some perennials, and a fresh layer of mulch.
In this video, Lauren and I talked about the best home improvements for enhancing your quality of life while you live in the home,
while also increasing your home's value and attractiveness to buyers for when you are ready to sell.
If you're looking for the one single home improvement that's going to yield you the highest return on investment, look no further than
your garage door.
The garage door. Multiple expert sources report that replacing your garage door is going to generate about a 90% or better return on your investment.
If there are any home improvement projects or renovations you've been curious about or considering, please let us know in the comments below.
Comment below. Thank you for watching.